Open the command palette. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Type and select .NET New Project in the command palette. Select Console App from the list of project templates. This will create a basic C# console application. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your project, like My First Project, or whatever name you prefer. You can either accept the default directory or choose a different one to save your project. If you want to use the default directory, click on Default Directory. Alternatively, you can choose another location by clicking to select to choose another directory. Once you've chosen the directory, you will see a final prompt to create project. Click on Create Project to generate the project files in the chosen directory.